Hello heroes, Joe Smith here. Joe Smith just picked up the car. He called last night, said it was all done. Yeah, that on the drunk Joe Smith's going to do a Joe Knows video and fixing that. It was like that when Joe Smith first got the car, but Westside Auto Collision, Bentonville, Arkansas. Over Westside Bentonville by Centerton. Done it. Guy's name that runs it is Brian. Seemed like a pretty nice guy. So Joe Smith was telling him about doing a video here of it getting all fixed up or after it's fixed. Joe Smith wanted to stop by the shop and do a short video while they're working on it, but he said insurance wouldn't allow it. Which Joe Smith kind of figured that, but so what do you guys think? Think they done a pretty good job there? Looks pretty good here, Joe Smith. Looks about like brand new. So, yeah, anyone in Northwest Arkansas watching this, if you get your car fixed, body work or paint or that, call up Brian at Westside Auto Collision there in Bentonville. Seems like a pretty nice place and nice people there. So, thanks for watching. Joe Smith signing out here.